Sadly, many of them are on the brink of extinction. Birds like Great Indian Bustard, Forest Owlet, Indian vulture are disappearing due to deforestation, habitat loss, pollution, and poaching. Climate change and urbanization have further pushed them towards extinction. Why should we care? Birds are vital for our ecosystem. They control pests, pollinate plants, and maintain nature's balance. So without them, our environment will suffer. But there is a hope. We can protect them by preserving forests, planting trees, and supporting wildlife sanctuaries. So let's unite together. There is a single effort that counts. By protecting birds, we are protecting our nature and our community.
Bird watching, also known as birding, is a fascinating activity that allows people to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of birds in their natural habitats. It's not only a peaceful and enjoyable hobby but also an important tool for conservation. On Birds Day, spreading awareness about bird watching can encourage more individuals to observe and protect avian species while understanding their significance in maintaining ecological balance. One of the key reasons why bird watching is important is that it promotes environmental conservation. By observing birds in their natural surroundings, people become more aware of the threats they face, such as habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. This awareness often leads to greater efforts in protecting bird habitats and supporting conservation initiatives. Additionally, bird watching serves as a great outdoor activity that promotes physical and mental well-being. Spending time in nature, listening to bird calls and watching their behaviors can be both relaxing and educational. Starting bird watching is simple and requires minimal equipment. Choosing a good location such as a park, forest, or even a backyard is the first step. A pair of binoculars helps in spotting birds from a distance, while a field guide or a mobile app can aid in identifying different species. Patience and quiet observation are key, as birds can be easily startled by noise and movement. Many bird watchers also keep a journal or take photographs to document their sightings, which help them track bird activity over time. While bird watching is enjoyable, it is important to follow ethical practices to ensure that birds and their habitats remain undisturbed. Observers should maintain a safe distance from nests and breeding areas, avoid making loud noises, and never litter in natural environments. Providing bird-friendly habitats by planting native trees and setting up feeders can also help support local bird populations. Additionally, participating in bird counts and conservation programs can contribute to the protection of endangered species. Birds are an essential part of our environment, playing key roles in pollination, pest control, and maintaining ecological balance. Learning about these incredible species can spark curiosity and inspire a deeper appreciation for nature. By promoting bird watching, we can encourage more people to cherish and protect these remarkable creatures for future generations.